Hey guys, I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about lipsticks, my favorite nude lipsticks. You know, I love lipsticks. I freaking love lipsticks. With all my makeup order, there has to be one lipstick by default. There can be more, of course, but there has to be one at least. No matter how many lipstick I already own in the same shade, but I would just randomly add one lipstick from my wish list. I'm that crazy for lipstick, but I can believe I have just done one dedicated lipstick video on my channel. That video I did last year where I showed you my top 5 or 6 affordable nude lipsticks that I love wearing. I will link it up here. You can go and check it, or I'll also mention in the description box. You can just check all my affordable nude lipsticks. I still have them, I still use them, and those were like my favorite. But I'm finally doing my second lipstick video and I'm so excited about it. It is a nude lipstick again, but these are from all the ranges. These are super affordable, mid-range and high range as well, because I understand budget can be so subjective. What is expensive for you could not be for me, and vice versa. So yeah, also if you are not much into nude lipsticks or you want to see more of bold lip colors, I got you. I will be doing a similar video for bold lip colors as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First lipstick that I want to show you is from Color Rich Matte collection of L'Oreal. It is in the shade Maple Mocha. So it's like a pink nude with a hint of mauve, and it's very cool toned. So that's how it looks. It's a very pretty color and it's very moisturizing on the lips, and it is like usual bullet lipsticks. It is such a pretty color and it will suit all skin tone. Fair, medium, deep. Since this is not complete matte and has creamy texture, and it will get into your mask definitely, but otherwise it's very hydrating and beautiful lip color. Okay, next up I have universally loved nude shade. Just get me a person who doesn't like this shade. What I'm saying, I'm talking about MAC Meher. Oh my god, this is a perfect, super cool pink toned nude lipstick. It has very slight hint of, you know, purple, and it looks so beautiful. If you have not tried this lipstick, oh man, like what are you doing? This is how it looks. I mean, it's so beautiful and unique. Oh my god, I can't get over this shade. Plus, this is a bullet lipstick and I love bullet lipsticks. I'm a creamy bullet lipstick person, and I bet it is the most comfortable form of lipstick on your lips, and your lips look so juicy, natural and whatnot. I love this shade. I mean, I'll keep repurchasing this particular shade from MAC because it's so beautiful. It's so different, and if you've not tried, please try at least the mini version of this, which is much cheaper than the original MAC lipsticks. But yeah, just try it. You will love it. Alright, next up I have Matte Power Lip Color from Miss Claire. These were pretty newly launched, I think 3 months ago, and I have a 06 shade number right here with me. It is this rustic brown nude, and it looks so pretty, so pretty. In camera it might look similar to the L'Oreal, but it is more warm toned than the L'Oreal one. It's not completely brown nude, neither it's mauve. It's like a rustic orange with hint of brown. So yeah, it's very pretty. Also, this is the most affordable lipstick of this video. It just cost you $3.95 and you get amazing liquid lipstick that stay for 5 to 6 hours on your lips and it's not drying at all, and shades are so beautiful, it's so pigmented. So yeah, this lipstick and this shade particularly is just alright. Next we have a lip crayon from Milani. It is their Ludicrous Lip Crayon in the shade 110 No Curfew. It is a lip crayon that gives you liquid lipstick effect on your lips and it's super long lasting, but it's not uncomfortable or drying like usual liquid lipsticks. So comfortable and so beautiful on lips, almost like a creamy bullet lipstick minus the creaminess because it has matte texture. This particular shade, it has my heart. It's a very vibrant nude shade and so different from all the previous shades that I have swatched. I have another lip crayon and this one is from K Beauty in the shade Melodrama. This is a perfect mauve nude shade. The texture of this lip crayon is also very much similar to the Milani lip crayon that we just swatched. It also doesn't look very flat on the lips, rather it leaves a very beautiful shine, but still it's not creamy lipstick, you know. It's not a dead flat matte, but it's not creamy obviously. So this is how it looks. Is this shade looking similar to the second shade Mac Meher on the camera? I don't know, but in real they are so different. This K Beauty crayon is way much mauvish than the Mac Meher. Mac Meher is like typical pink nude with hints of mauve, but this actually is a perfect mauve nude shade. These lip crayons are one of the best products of K Beauty and they last quite long on the lips and yeah, they are beautiful. Oh my god, I have worn this lipstick after so long, but it is looking so beautiful. I just love this shade on myself. If you have like medium or even dusky skin tone, this will just look so beautiful. This shade will actually suit all skin tone, but I'm just saying I have like medium skin tone and just looking. The next lipstick that I have is Always On liquid lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Driver's Seat. This shade is so summery, so vibrant and coral. It's a perfect, comfortable liquid lipstick. This is the only lipstick that I wear under my mask because it is transfer proof. Even if it transfers on mask, it's not like completely wiped off. It is the most vibrant shade of all that we have swatched. You can see most of my shades are cool tone because that's what I wear most of the time, but this is a vibrant shade, like a typical summer shade that just makes your face look so fresh. I just don't wear this when my face is already looking dull because then it washes me off slightly. That's it. Those were the nude lipsticks that I had for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and also found this useful. If you did, please give a big thumbs up to this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm posting a new video on my channel. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.